Good day, everyone. Good day, our followers, and good day, our viewers. Happy Sunday to everyone who's watching this particular video. So today, I will take you physics, and today's topic is specific heat capacity. And this goes the question: a metal of mass 1.5 kg was heated from 27 degrees Celsius to 47 degrees Celsius in 4 minutes by a boiler ring of 75 watts. Rating: calculate the specific heat capacity of the metal. So these are the options. Solution: okay, now we're going to write out the parameter. You say a mass. So mass here is given as 1.5 kg. Was heated from 27 degrees Celsius to 47 degrees Celsius. So that is more like a temperature change. Okay? So theta is moving from theta 1, which is 27 degrees Celsius, going to theta 2, which is what? 47 degrees Celsius. In 4 minutes, time there is given as 4 minutes. I know we don't use minutes to solve, so we have to convert to seconds. So if a minute is 60 seconds, so definitely 4 minutes will be what? 4 times 60, giving us 240 seconds. Okay, so calculate the specific heat capacity of the metal. So specific capacity symbol is given as C, question mark. So specific capacity has a formula, a relationship or a formula, which is always given as C. So using CS, this is specific. C is equal to H over M theta. H over what? M theta. Where H is our heat, M is our mass, theta is our temperature. Okay? So now, by a boiler ring of 75 watts rating. So power is also given in the equation. Power, which is P, and is given as 75 watts. Okay, so without wasting time, we know H here is normally what? Power times time, which is P times T. Okay, so since we know P here, so what is our P there? P is 75. What's our time? Our time is 240. So get your calculator ready. Once you multiply, what you're supposed to have there is what? 18,000 joules. Okay? Let's put aside this our formula. CS is equal to H over M theta. So our H here is already 18,000. What's our mass? 1.5. Now take note. I said it's going from where? Theta 1 to theta 2. So definitely there's a temperature change. Okay? So temperature change here, which is this our theta, is going to be 47 minus 27. There's a temperature change. Why? It moved from small to big. So there's a temperature change. Okay, so from there we're having 18000. Okay? Divided by 1.5 times 47 minus 27. Use your calculator, you have what? 20. Okay, so CS is equal to 18000 over 1.5 times 20. You're going to have 30. 18,000 divided by 30. Cancel, cancel. 3 cancel, 1800. You have 600 joule per kilogram per Kelvin. Now, you check in the option, there's nothing like that in the option because the options are in standard form. So let's convert this to standard form now. Go 1, 2. So we're going to have 6 times 10 raised to the power of 2 joule per kilogram per Kelvin. So making option B to be our final answer. Okay, so this is how you solve this particular question. Always take note of the formula. Specific capacity is always heat over mass times temperature. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for viewing. If you know you're interested in my online class, you can give me a DM. My number is always available. And for those who just watched this video, please like, share, and comment. I still remain Teacher Patrick. See you next time again. Bye bye.